Hi, my name is Sebastian from Tinner's Place LLC here in Cicero, Illinois. Today we got a BMW here. We're going to go ahead and teach you guys how to prepare a window for install for window tint. We're going to install a 35% window tint. So tools you guys are going to need: 2 microfiber towels. You guys are going to need a triangle tool and a squeegee, and obviously your sprayer, spray bottle, whatever works for you guys. So the first step, you guys are going to go ahead and mist the window. You grab your 1-inch razor blade from your pouch. Start preparing the window. Just up and down. Make sure you guys don't accidentally push it down with the sides and scratch the window or anything like that. Just go slow. The reason why we spray the window first is to know exactly where on the window we're hitting. Obviously, we have the soap up here, and you guys can see that down here we already hit the window. There's no more soap left. So make sure you guys don't miss a single spot. Pull down the window just so you can see the top edge. Just hit it upwards. Put your blade away. I have 2 microfiber towels, one with a higher microfiber percentage and then one with a lower one. This one is a very thin one. This is a thick one. Usually I use the thicker one first. I clean off the top edge. This is the most dirty part of the window, usually because on the older cars, these seals tend to get really dirty. You can see right away. You also want to clean above the window where the seal of the window goes. Clean the top edge inside. So you get all that stuff out. Then roll up the window. All right, and just hit the rest of the glass. As well as your door panels, sides, everything like that. Anything that could have dust spots. We're gonna go ahead and mist the window again. Grab your sponge and start. Hit every part of the window. Roll down the window. You're gonna go ahead and sponge off that top edge again. Alright. Put that on the side. Now you're gonna go ahead and grab your thin towel with your squeegee. Start from here, go all the way down. Wipe it off. Straight down again. It's the same process over again. Okay. Alright, here from now on, all the dust from the window is either going to be here or on the side. I go ahead and put my triangle tool inside of the microfiber towel, and you're gonna start from the top and just run inside of the seal all the way down. Get all that stuff out. Same thing over here. Just go all the way down into the seal. Get all that stuff out as well. Now we're gonna go ahead and put our tip inside of the seal and flush all the way down. Flush the bottom here into the seal. Go ahead and flush this side as well. I'm gonna roll the window down. It's pretty much ready for install now. Last step, again, grab your triangle tool, and we're gonna go ahead and wipe off the top edge of the window. Just like that. Start from here, then run it all the way across. Get all those last contaminants out. Go straight up there. Wrap it around again. Grab a new clean towel. You can go ahead and clean the very top of the glass. A lot of the contaminants like to hide up there. Missed it, and you're ready for install.